Does your cat hiss, swat, or bite every time you get close? It can be frustrating, especially when you're only trying to help. But here's the good news. Most aggressive cats aren't mean, they're scared. And when you understand what's causing that fear, you can slowly replace it with trust. Today, I'll share 9 gentle steps that can help even the most defensive cat become calmer and friendlier without punishment or force. The first thing to know is that aggression is usually a form of communication. Your cat isn't trying to make your life difficult. They're trying to say, "I don't feel safe." Many owners unknowingly make the situation worse by forcing interaction too soon. The key is to let trust grow naturally. 1. Give your cat space. When your cat hisses or growls, don't move closer. Step back and give them room. Cats feel safer when they know they can leave if they want to. If they feel trapped, they're much more likely to scratch or bite. Sometimes the fastest way to gain a cat's trust is to stop chasing it. 2. Find the trigger. Aggressive behavior rarely happens without a reason. Ask yourself what happened just before your cat reacted. Were you trying to pick them up? Did another pet walk by? Was there a loud noise? Understanding the trigger helps you avoid repeating the same stressful situation. Once you remove the cause, you'll often see improvement much sooner than expected. 3. Never punish your cat. This is one of the biggest mistakes cat owners make. Yelling, spraying water, or hitting your cat doesn't solve aggression. It only teaches them that people are scary. Instead of building trust, punishment creates even more fear. A calm response is always more effective than an angry one. 4. Let your cat come to you. Trust can't be forced. Spend quiet time in the same room without expecting anything. Read a book, watch TV, or simply sit nearby. Curious cats often approach when they realize no one is pressuring them. That first step toward you is a sign that trust is beginning to grow. 5. Use treats wisely. Food creates positive experiences. Place a favorite treat a few feet away from you. As your cat becomes more comfortable, slowly decrease the distance. Eventually, they may feel confident enough to eat while sitting close to you. This teaches your cat that your presence means good things happen. 6. Watch your body language. Cats pay close attention to how we move. Walking directly toward them, staring into their eyes, or reaching over their head can feel threatening. Instead, move slowly. Blink gently. Turn your body slightly sideways. Speak softly. These small changes make you appear much less intimidating. 7. Create safe hiding places. Every cat needs a place where they feel completely secure. A cat tree, a cardboard box, a quiet room, a shelf high above the floor. When cats know they have a safe retreat, they become more relaxed throughout the rest of the home. Feeling safe reduces the need for defensive behavior. 8. Respect their limits. Not every cat enjoys long petting sessions. Watch for warning signs. A twitching tail, flattened ears, skin rippling across the back, turning their head toward your hand. These signals mean your cat has had enough. Stopping before they become upset teaches them that you'll respect their boundaries. That's how trust grows. 9. Be patient. This is the hardest step, but it's also the most important. Some cats learn to trust within weeks, others need months. Progress isn't always steady. There will be good days and difficult days. Don't let a setback discourage you. Every calm interaction helps your cat feel a little safer. Over time, those small moments become something bigger. One day, your cat may choose to sit beside you. Later, they may rub against your legs or curl up next to you on the couch. Those moments can't be rushed. They're earned through kindness, patience, and consistency. Remember, you're not trying to change your cat's personality. You're helping them believe that your home is a safe place and that you're someone they can trust. For many cats, that's when the real transformation begins. Has your cat ever gone from aggressive or fearful to loving and affectionate? Share your story in the comments. Your experience could give hope to another cat owner who's struggling right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Kitty Basics for more gentle, practical tips to help you build a stronger bond with your cat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.